Let me go ahead and write some simple code in C language, and I'm using Freescale, Freescale training board, and I'm using the Freescale platform to write this simple code of, let's say, making these 8 LEDs rotate to the left. So you look on this training board right here, these are the LEDs that I have, and I'm gonna make these. This is actually a microcontroller we're gonna be using today, and you see, because that's the language we're using. You can write it in whatever language you want. You can write it in assembly, Freescale assembly, and I'm gonna choose the serial monitors because we're gonna be actually running this code, and let me see. I'm not sure if I should be able to pause this video and let this load, because it is pretty slow with this running. Close that up, and I guess I'm going to use that for loop. So I'm going to clean this up only, and clean this up too. And I already wrote this code, so I actually knew what I'm going to be needing. And I know that I will be needing a for loop, and I know that I'm going to be needing a delay. And this delay is going to be an int, so you write the delay as you want. And I know that I'm going to need a couple of integers too, so I'm going to say B, C, D. I'm going to need about 4 of these, so let me go ahead and write the delay first. Let's say when C is 0, put a while loop in there. When C is not equal to A, increment C. And that's a simple loop. That's simple a while loop for our delay. So I'm going to go ahead and start declaring the resistor A. That's where the LEDs are. So we're going to make them the output. I'm going to write this in hexadecimal. So let's say F. And in this for loop, actually so A is equal to, say, 0, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's binary, and I'm going to have this equal to A, and we're going to shift this to left by D times, and we're going to actually increment D, and notice that I have to say D is equal to 0 because we want to start from 0, and all that's going to be happening inside this loop. So initially D is going to be 0, but once it gets in forever for loop, is going to keep doing that. And inside this for loop, I must actually do something so it actually look like it's rotating from right to left. And I'm going to say if A is equal to 0, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll say A should be now back to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And B should also go back to 0. And I'm going to have to put a delay here. Delay say 5,000. Let me put 2 of these delays here. 5,000. And above it, I'm gonna put another delay just to make things a little bit. I'm gonna put 3,000. And this should actually work. This should be it. This should be it. If you have any skills or know nothing about C, programming C or C++, you go online, check out this video by this kid named Bucky Roberts, I believe. He has a couple of tutorials in Java, C++, actually a whole bunch of languages, and he's pretty good. Go out there and check him out and get the basics. Go ahead and run this real quick, see what happens. And it's giving me problems, so I'm going to switch that up. What am I missing here? I'm not missing anything. Do that. Maybe it's not like my delays. Carriage return without a line, fails detected. Oh, come on. You just hating on me. There's nothing wrong here. There's actually nothing wrong with it. I'm not sure where all his loves hating on me. I guess I declared that too many times. I'm gonna have to actually change this out to something else. Say X, and X there, and X, and X. That's not declared. This is declared. These actually declare too. So I did pause the video for a little bit and debug it for a while, and I noticed that I made a few mistakes here, some common mistakes, nothing too hard. And I got it debugged, and I'm gonna go ahead and run it so you guys should see what's going on here. Okay, as you see, the LEDs are flashing from left to right, and it's going for a little bit fast and kind of slow. So I'm gonna go ahead and
actually add one more delay on the top side of it. So, say 4,000, and I'm gonna run. Hopefully, it runs a little bit slower this time. And if not, then it is what it is. It has a pretty long delay now. Actually, it's got worse. Go ahead. I'm going to take this one out and take the one down the bottom off, so it runs a little bit more fluidly. I'm going to be pretty fast now, since I took most of them. Voila. You see that on the screen, how the light is going? I'm going to go ahead and take the top one off, too, and see how that runs. Just put a 5,000 down there. So yeah, it's pretty fast. You can see it's almost like a flashlight that's going like pretty fast. Yep. So that's what it is. Let's go ahead and play with a couple of numbers here. Put 500, see how that works. And you see, it's a 500 is running so fast that you actually can't see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this, paste it a couple of times. So that's 1500. I'm gonna do 1500 loops. Basically, it's like flashing right now. It's almost like a flash. So that's what it is. So thanks for watching. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching.